Can Samsung Smart TV be hacked? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs, like any internet-connected device, can be vulnerable to hacking if proper security measures are not in place. Since these TVs have built-in Wi-Fi apps and voice assistants, they can be targeted by cyber criminals through malware, phishing attacks, or unsecured connections. However, the risk is low if security precautions are followed, such as keeping the TV's software updated and avoiding suspicious downloads. 1. How Samsung Smart TVs can be hacked. Samsung Smart TVs can be hacked through various methods, including unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Hackers can access the TV if it is connected to a public or weakly secured network. Malicious apps. Installing third-party or unverified apps may introduce malware. Phishing scams. Clicking on fake links while browsing the TV's internet browser can lead to hacking attempts. Webcam and microphone access. Some models with built-in cameras or voice assistants could be exploited if security settings are not properly configured. 2. Signs that a Samsung Smart TV has been hacked. If a Samsung Smart TV is hacked, users may notice unusual activity such as unusual pop-ups or apps appearing that were not installed by the user, TV turning on off randomly, or volume settings changing without input, strange sounds or voices coming from the TV speakers when no content is playing, slow performance or overheating, which could indicate malware running in the background. 3. How to protect a Samsung Smart TV from hacking. Step 1. Always keep the TV's software updated by going to Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and enabling automatic updates. Step 2. Use a strong, unique password for Wi-Fi and disable remote access features if not needed. Step 3. Avoid downloading apps from unverified sources and only use Samsung's official App Store. Step 4. Turn off the microphone and camera when not in use by disabling voice assistant features and covering the camera if applicable. Step 5. Reset the TV to factory settings if suspicious activity is detected to remove any potential malware. 4. What to do if a Samsung Smart TV gets hacked. If a Samsung Smart TV appears to be compromised, disconnect it from Wi-Fi immediately to prevent further access. Uninstall suspicious apps and check for unauthorized changes in the settings. Perform a factory reset by going to Settings, then General, then Reset to remove any malware. Change all linked passwords, especially for streaming services and accounts connected to the TV. While Samsung Smart TVs can be hacked, the risk is low if proper security measures are taken. By keeping software updated, securing internet connections, and avoiding suspicious downloads, users can prevent unauthorized access and protect their personal data.